I'm unboxing my extremely early birthday present. It's a nerf gun, machine gun. Hi Kiwi. My birds also like me. Hey Kiwi, you can watch me unbox this. Let's take present. Here's a gun. And then here's like a trigger. Here's like slam fire. Over here is bullets, the container for the bullet, and well, where the containers are supposed to go, right here.
$2,000 years later.
Yeah, so I did a bit of unboxing off cam here. I kind of almost got the gun. I got the gun out. That's kind of good. Look at this monstrosity. This is so good. Okay, look at this. Look at this dude. This is so cool. Oh yeah, that's so cool. So I'm just gonna go get the bullets out. Okay, so I did a bit of tidying up and taking it out off cam. So the nerf gun's here, the bullets and the stuff. All these rubbish right here. Don't mind them. They're just my birds. They're very cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get this guy loaded somehow. Yeah, so I got two of them loaded. My sister right there is helping.
I think Kiwi was trying to bite my ear. Give it. No.
Yeah, she's on my head. Kiwi likes the Nerf gun. She's gonna buy it. And of course, she's gonna go on the Nerf gun.
Kiwi likes
my head.
Kiwi likes your Nerf guns.
Yeah, of course. And the bullets, apparently.
They love the bullets. Don't you guys, Kiwi?
Yeah, so we only have like 1.5. Yeah, okay. So we only have like. Okay, so we did some of these off cam. So last time we loaded this is absolute monstrosity. It was so good. So right now I'm just gonna load it. I'm just put this in and put it back. This is. I figured out you have to load it from the right side and the bullet's facing where you shoot it. And you have to be careful. See these two things and these two things. You kind of have to align them. If you do it like this, it will just get stuck. So it should be like this. And then you pull it. You'll see it goes up in. You don't have to pull all the way. Then you see, you do this. It can't be removed easily. So, if you want to aim, you crank this until you hear a noise.
Put it back and shoot. It also works if you're holding the trigger and hold it.
This thing is very strong, so I advise you not to shoot at the eyes or the head. Yeah. You might miss a few bullets in the process, but you can just load it again. And I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put it together for easier shooting. But I'm sure you pros can handle it. So I just got my friend another Nerf gun. That's a surprise. For this present, also for his birthday. I really like this present. Thanks, Jackie, if you're watching. Bye!